Hi, my name is Emils. I am from 3D 360 Laser Scanning, and right now I'm located in Wuhan in RedShift Laser. This is the third floor of the RedShift Laser premises. They have quite a beautiful range of machinery. The laser welding machinery, nothing I have ever seen before. I'm quite surprised actually. So this is beautiful, this nice machine. It's super compact, it's air-cooled laser welding machine. You hold it like this and it just welds up to 2 millimeters deep. Amazing, in this small package. Can you imagine that? And this is also really cool, I love this. You use it like a microscope and the laser comes out right here. And you just look at it, you aim it and just weld two pieces together. Same here, which is a little bit different. It's basically the same, but it's a little bit different. These work mainly to solder, or not solder, but to weld small things, small metallic things like jewelry, for example. You put your hands in there, there's nice protection for you, so you don't get shining around. You look at the screen and weld like two rings together, for example. Nice, compact, and it's also air-cooled. Amazing. Okay, this is really cool. I love this because as you can see, it's a laser, UV laser etched glass. It's impossible to show it on camera how small and detailed it is, but it's how it works. It's focused. It's focused in a single point, and you adjust the distance with this simple crank. You basically choose your height here, and it etches beautiful, small, super small details. Don't worry, it's dirty on the inside, but super small, intricate details. Really cool.